Once welcome back to my YouTube channel MathTech by Nilkamal. This is my second video of derivative and I will solve some questions with the help of first principal formula of derivative. The first question is that find the derivative means differentiation 3x square plus 4. First we let fx is equal to 3x square plus 4. Therefore, fx plus h will be 3. In place of x, we write x plus h square plus 4. Formula is that first principal formula is f dash x limit h tends to 0 fx plus h minus fx by h, putting the value h tends to 0 fx plus h, it will be 3x plus h square plus 4 minus fx, that is 3x square plus 4 by h. H tends to 0, simplify it, x plus h whole square, there will be a plus b whole square, therefore it will be 3 x square plus 2xh plus h square plus 4 minus, and this will be 3x square plus 4 by h. Look here, if 3 multiply here 3x square and 3x square cancel, therefore it will be limit h tends to 0 6xh plus 3h square plus 4 minus 4 by h. This and this also cancel, therefore limit h tends to 0. Take common here only h, therefore 6x plus h by h, there will be 3 h, x and x cancel. After that we write limit h tends to 0 6x plus 3h, put the value h tends to 0, there will be 6x plus, there will be 3 into 0, therefore 6x. Therefore derivative of this function 3x square plus 4 is 6x. Therefore f dash x equal to 6x. This is your answer. My next question is that find the derivative of x raised to n by the first principle of derivative. Derivative of x raised to n will be a formula to find the derivative of such types of functions. X raised to n, let fx is equal to x raised to n, therefore fx plus h will be, in place of x write x plus h raised to, therefore derivative of fx, that is limit h tends to 0 fx plus h minus fx by h. This is the first principal formula of derivative, and with the help of this concept we'll find the derivative of x raised to n. And f dash x is the derivative of this function. Therefore, keep the value limit s tends to 0 will be x plus h raised to n minus x raised to n by h. Therefore, limit x tends to 0, x plus h raised to n expanded by the binomial theorem. There will be h raised to n plus n into x raised to n minus 1 h plus n and n minus 1 by factorial 2 x raised to n minus 2 h square, and plus after that it will be h raised to n minus x raised to n by h. After simplifying, we get x raised to n minus x raised to n, it will be cancelled. Take common h from all the terms, this and this, there will be h n x raised to n minus 1 plus n minus 1 factorial 2 x raised to n minus 2 h and plus h raised to n minus 1 by h. H and h cancel. Put the value h tends to 0. There will be n into x raised to n minus 1. Here is h. This term will be 0. n minus 1 by factorial 2 x raised to n minus 2 into 0 plus there will be also 0. Therefore limit of this function be n into x raised to n minus 1. Therefore derivative of fx is n into x raised to n minus 1. This is your answer. After that, we can write a derivative of x raised to n with respect to x n into x raised to n minus 1. This formula we use as a formula. Therefore, this concept is very important, and there are many questions will be solved by this formula. Therefore, derivative of x raised to n with respect to x will be n into x raised to n minus 1. That is most important formula. After that, I will take continue solution of some questions of derivative. Therefore, keep watching, continue my channel. If you are new in my channel, subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Thank you for watching.